It's Movement Cube Monday, and this week we're talking the high hamstring pain that we see a lot of times with running and pretty much any other sport. Let's see if we can fix it.
I would never ask you to give up things. I just want to give you all I can.
Typically that pain between the glute and hammy, which we call the glammy, is more of a tendon attachment than it is the belly of the muscle. Those usually respond really well to load. So what we're going to use first is isometric loading. What this is using the muscle, having it contract without lengthening or shortening the muscle. We're just going to hold it in one position. To do this, you're going to start on your back. We'll have one leg straight, the affected leg will be bent, and from here we're going to bridge and hold in this position for about 30 seconds. We can repeat this 4 or 5 times, and we can do this daily. Next, we'll be in my favorite position that everyone knows, 90-90. From here, what you want to do is turn your shoulders towards the front knee. You're going to bend forward over that so you feel a stretch in the back of this hip, lift the back leg, and then extend on the exhale. We're going to inhale, kind of brace your core. On the exhale, we're going to try to extend back as far as you can. You should really feel the glute light up with this one. For this, we can repeat for 2 or 3 sets of 3 breaths, pushing further into the extension on each exhale. Last, we're going to work on the hamstring eccentrically controlling, which is controlling the lengthening phase of that contraction. What we want to do here is have the affected leg in the same position as the isometrics, where you're doing the bridge on one leg. From there, you want to slowly control as you slide the leg out to a straight position. From there, we'll come back to the beginning and repeat. This we'll do 5 times, and you can repeat this for 4 or 5 sets depending on how you feel. As always, you may need a full assessment to actually fix the pain in the hamstring, but this helps for most people with this issue. So go ahead and give it a try, because if you can fix yourself, you should. And if you can't, we're here.